Okay, if you want to ask the money, like how much money is it? It's this sentence like 多少钱? This one 多少钱? Yes. So 多少 means how much, and 钱 means money. So 多少钱? Yes, very good. Okay, so what's your favorite maybe Chinese food? What's it? Oh, can you say it again? I don't know this one. Yeah, it's Cantonese. I don't know much about Cantonese, but it's okay. Let me show you how to say. Do you know how to say the noodles? Let me show you. It's 面条. Yeah. So this one, 面条. And it means noodles. So if you want to ask how much money of something, you just need to put this thing before this sentence, like 面条多少钱? Yeah. So 面条. Yes. So can you repeat this again? Yes, very good. 面条多少钱? So let me show you the number. Maybe 5. So do you know how to say the price? Yes, 5块钱 actually. And we need to add the subject here, like 面条 and the number 5, and then plus the basic unit of money, like 块 and 钱. So 5块钱. 面条5块钱. Yes, very good. Okay, let's try this. So 面条多少钱? Can you try to answer me? Yes, very good. Okay, can you ask me back? And 面条5块钱. Okay, so do you know how to say the dumplings? Not this one. I think you know some Cantonese, right? It's 饺子. So 饺子. Yeah, it means dumpling. So 饺子多少钱? Yes. And let me show you the number. Maybe 8. So 饺子多少钱? Yes, very good. 饺子8块钱. And another Chinese food you like? Rice. Rice we say 米饭. Yeah, 米饭. Yes, so 米饭多少钱? And this one? Yes, very good. 米饭1块钱. Yes. Okay. Let's review this. So 面条多少钱? Yes. And 饺子多少钱? Yes. And 米饭多少钱? Yes, very good. Okay, so now maybe you're the boss and I will ask you. Yes, 面条5块钱。Yes, and 饺子8块钱。米饭1块钱。Okay, so about this part, do you have any questions? Yeah. Okay, let me show you one well-known Chinese food that's it's my favorite. Do you know stinky tofu? Did you taste it before? Yeah. And if you like the spicy food, it's a good choice. So it's 臭豆腐。臭豆腐。And yes, 臭豆腐 and the money here is like 12. So 臭豆腐多少钱？ Yes, very good. 臭豆腐12块钱。Okay, so let's make a test. How to say the stinky tofu? Yeah. And how to say the noodles? Yes, and the dumpling. Yes, very good. Okay, can you try to make at least the 6 sentences to make a conversation? To ask money and then you answer. Yes. Yeah. 对，很好。Okay, and the answer? Yeah. Yes, very good. And pay attention to this one. It's less 臭豆腐。臭豆腐。Yes. Okay. So, do you have any questions about this part? Okay. So this is some food here, and we can ask them. Ask the price. And let me show. Do you like some drink like coffee? Do you know how to say it? Yes. Great. 咖啡. So in your place, 咖啡多少钱? Yes, very good. And how about the tea? 茶. It means tea. So 茶多少钱? Yes. And how about milk? Milk is 牛奶. So 牛奶多少钱? Yes, very good. Okay, so this one 咖啡. And 茶. Yes, and 牛奶. Yes. Okay, so it's simple, right? You just need to change this subject here to ask the money. Okay. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。